for you.
Mittens.
That's for gardening. Special gardening gloves and a hat and some tools for the garden. Cool, huh?
Yeah. And let's open this one.
Turn around this way.
What?
Turn around this way so I can see.
Put your present over on this side.
Come over here. Bring it here. There you go. This is the one from Mommy.
Yeah. Andres has Dora.
Yeah, Andrew gave you Dora.
Andrew got Dora for you. What is this?
He has that.
Huh?
And you have this.
That's from Mommy. What is it? And that one's from Ricky.
Ricky.
He picked it out for you. Go ahead, open.
Ricky gave it to you.
That's nice to put this. This is mine.
Yeah.
Mine. I got him.
Who is that?
I'm Diego.
Oh.
Oh look, there's Dora. Dora. There's Dora.
Show them both to Mommy. Can you show them to me?
No. I want to open the envelope.
The envelope?
Yeah, envelope. Envelope. Two Doras?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a little Dora at home, huh?
Yeah, three. I have three. Look. Look at her, see? Look at this.
It's a button on your card from Ricky.